Welcome back. Finally, the day has come. For the trip, for which we are waiting for. And here is our ramp. Ready for the trip. So let's go without wasting any time. Make the truck ready. M2 is still parked in that garage. Let's do the cold start. No fuel pump. Let's check around the car. Everything is good or not. Till now, everything is fine. Let's start the trip. Let's go. First stop will be gas station. Very costly, loudly crying face. But this truck is still fine. In my 6x6 it cost near about 25,000. So still this is cheaper than my 6x6. Before entering the forest, we need to fill it again, because there will be no gas station fuel. Sorry for my reckless driving. This truck get unstable in high speed. Sorry, wrong way. My driving skills are just one. Last stop in gas station before entering the forest. Let's see how much gas that it's burned to come here. Still, this is too much, 28.50. Okay, so ready to enter the forest. Here we go. Our off-roading begins. Here is the real use of this truck. Now we have to find a good spot, not near water, for easy access to the water. This place is looking fine. Here we can do our campaign dock and spend our night. So for today, we will stay. Tomorrow, we will go in depth of the forest. Subscribe, share, comment, like.